Hi everyone and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. In case this is your first time watching, hi, I'm Leslie. I'm so glad to have you here. On my channel I talk about all things luxury with the occasional travel vlog thrown in there. I film shopping vlogs, unboxings, hauls, a little bit of high street fashion here and there, so if that sounds like a thing, I would love for you to consider subscribing. Talking about high street fashion and hauls, today is going to be kind of like a combined or collective haul of items I picked up recently. We do have some luxury, but we also have some Zara pieces. Starting with the luxury part, by the way, let me know what you think about my backdrop. I mentioned in the previous video, or the video before, I'm not too sure about the schedule, that I redid my whole walk-in wardrobe, and this is my new backdrop. Let me know what you think about it. I might switch around the bags every now and then, but yeah, let me know your thoughts. And if you want to hear me talk about the bags that you're seeing behind me, plus a couple more in more detail, then definitely check out my luxury handbag collection video that I uploaded a couple of months ago. Anyway, starting with luxury, this is a little something that I picked up in Rome. I went to Rome at the end of September, early October, plus before that Milan and Florence, but Rome was our last stop. And apart from me purchasing two Saint Laurent handbags in the Mall Firenze outlet center, definitely check out both my vlogs and also my haul and review of the two bags. I also treated myself to a little something at Fendi. This is my first ever Fendi purchase. I went to the flagship store in Rome, and from the size of the box, you might be able to tell what it is. Comes in this cute little box right here. Not really little, compared to... Okay, we're gonna get into the unboxing and then we're gonna compare the box size if you're even interested. So here we go. There we go. A cute pair of, obviously, costume jewelry, not real jewelry. Earrings with dangly faux pearls down there. Super cute. And as I mentioned, the box isn't that tiny when you compare it to the regular sized Chanel earring boxes, for example. They are way smaller. And yeah, I really love the packaging, but more so the earrings. I'm a sucker for earrings. I kind of feel incomplete when I'm not wearing earrings, which is why I'm immediately putting these inside my ears. There we go. I'm lucky enough that my ears aren't fussed with non-precious metals stuff going into my ear. Lucky girl, or unlucky, because if my ears didn't accept costume jewelry, I would be spending a lot less on Chanel and other kind of luxury brand earrings, but there we go. I thought these were so cute. The Fendi boutique was amazing. Also, I mean, the selection, not only jewelry, but also especially the handbags. They had a lot of exotics and stuff. So yeah, I think at this point I already uploaded my Rome vlog. Not a touristy vlog, but yeah, luxury shopping vlog from Rome. We went to Bulgari. The SA there was super, super nice, and I might have fallen in love with yet another bag. Also, we went to Fendi, of course, and Dior, so definitely check that out, or be on the lookout for my next upload. Anyway, so there's the luxury part of this vlog, done and dusted, and I finally feel complete because I'm wearing earrings. Let's go on to Zara. I went to Zara in person, which is, I don't want to say it's rare, but I most of the time actually order online, because most of the time at least there's one pair of shoes that I'm interested in, and with my shoe size I'm 42, so the biggest size that Zara carries in terms of shoes. There's just no point in going into the Zara store and searching for my shoe size, because they don't have it. Maximum 40, 41 sometimes, 42 is rarely inside the shops. Anyway, long story short, I did go into the Zara store and got ready for fall. Two items, as I mentioned, starting with this one. So this is a little step out of my comfort zone, but not really. I mean, it's still a pretty neutral, I wouldn't say it's a coat. I mean, it's on the longer-ish side, like a jacket, coat, what have you. And we'll see how warm this actually keeps me, but it's fully lined in this faux fur material. And on the outside, it's suede-ish, kind of. Yeah, plastic, but it feels like suede. On the inside, as I mentioned, fully fluffy faux fur, which this feels so soft. And this is definitely on the oversized side. Let me check. Okay, yeah, I purchased a medium. The price was $100 or $99.95, but yeah, I mean, For Zara, that's like the standard price, especially for a jacket of this like size and weight, and for like the colder season, I guess it's pretty standard. I mean, some of their coats go up to like 170 bucks, so I'd say 100 bucks is like right in the middle and still an okay-ish price tag to pay. So yeah, there's that. Here's the back. And the hardware is silver, but yeah, in general, the hardware is quite minimal, so that doesn't bother me. I prefer, or like when it comes to jewelry, I usually, like 99% of the time, I wear gold or like rose gold. Silver isn't like my cup of tea when it comes to jewelry, but I don't mind mixing metals, especially when the metal parts on the jacket are like super minimal. So there's that, and I will have already put like here or on that side mod shots. So for reference, I'm 177 centimeters, which should equal to a little below like 5'10". So yeah, there's that. As I mentioned, I ordered, or like I purchased a medium. The small will fit as well, because this is like super oversized, especially when you close the jacket. It's like massive, but my arms are super long, and the jacket in the size small was just way too short on the arms. So I went for the medium, and I'm super happy, and I'm really excited to start wearing this. It's still a little too warm, I'd say, outside, but give it another couple of weeks. Or I guess by the time this video actually goes live, it might already be like fall going into winter season. But yeah, this is purchase number one. And the second item, I'm already feeling my arms getting a little sore. So yeah, but this is little less heavy than the jacket. So this is a long like vest. You can't really see because I'm too close to the camera, but again, like mod shots will be inserted magically on the side. So yeah, pretty similar in color family, and again, I'm definitely trying to wear a lot more like warmer neutrals or like brighter neutrals. I mean, beiges are basic, but looking at my wardrobe, there's a lot of black, grays and stuff, so I thought I'd venture out a bit and dip my toes into the beige color family. So yeah, these like vests are everywhere these days, so like puffer vests, I guess. Or like in the UK, vests are more like sweatshirts. You get the idea, you'll see what I'm talking about. Yeah, these are everywhere, and I paid 60 bucks or like 59.95, which I think is all right. By the way, I purchased this one in a size small, and it's still like pretty oversized. And the hardware is gold, which is amazing as well. Back is pretty plain, and it does have a hood. I probably won't use the hood, but it's nice that it's there. And that already does it for today's collective haul. I really wanted to showcase the two Zara items. I mean, I feel like Zara is always like on top of their game when it comes to especially like fall and winter pieces. Also, I get most excited when it comes to fashion when we're like going into the fall season. So I wanted to make sure to share those pieces and maybe put them on your radar if you're looking for a similar piece, or you were wondering what it looks like on a particular body frame. Anyway, let me know what you think about the pieces that I picked up. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing. I upload every Wednesday on a range of different topics, and I would love to have you back.